Hey y'all, and welcome to another episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. This is episode number 2 in the often overlooked county campground that I'm always talking about. Found this spot on RV Parking. Anyway, this is Creek Campground in Waxhaw, North Carolina. So y'all follow me, I'll show you around. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. Wanted to tell you guys about this great app too, RV Parky. What a wonderful app to go find campgrounds all over this great country of ours. And it's absolutely free. Check your Play Store. Why don't we start out this video with my usual set of warnings and rules. First and foremost, this area is not necessarily known for bears. However, coyotes are in the area, so you might want to look out for them, as well as some wildcats that have been reported. Otherwise, you're probably just looking at the usual like deer and squirrel. However, never ever approach any wildlife. Second rule is never move firewood. You run the risk of introducing the emerald ash borer beetle that can destroy a forest. Also, ladies and gentlemen, pets are always welcome in these places, but for the love of all things holy, please keep them on a leash no longer than 6 foot. Don't leave them in your camper or your tent, and please clean up after your pets. And before I forget, I'd like to tell you all about the very reasonable rates for this park. Just to bring your vehicle in is a measly $4, or $4 more you can bring in your trailer. Buses are $20. If you just want to come swim, $2 will get you covered, as well as miniature golf and pedal boats. Now the campground is another deal altogether. $35 will get you a campsite per night with water, sewer, and electric. That is a bargain, but if you don't need the sewer, well, water and electric is just $30. Wilderness camping is $20, as well as horse camping. Group camping is $40 a night. How do you beat it? The cabins go for $65 a night on Friday through Sunday, and Monday through Thursday is $50 a night. And if you should need more room for additional cars, it's only $4 a car. In addition, veterans receive a 50% discount for all day use areas, and the campground, well, Union County residents can get up to 25% discount with a state issue ID. So if you're either one of those, that bargain just keeps getting better and better, don't it? Check the website for eligibility. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here trainer rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this trainer rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. Now let me tell you a little bit about this campground. Well, there are 3 different types of campgrounds in this area. You've got the family camping area, which contains 108 6-person campsites with easy access to Cane Creek Lake. All campsites have fire grill combos and a picnic table. All sites also have water, electricity, and a limited number of them have sewer hookups. Nearby, campers have access to bathroom and shower facilities and a small store that is stocked with basic necessity. There's a lot of nice folks in that place. The second kind of camping is wilderness camping. This area is restricted to tents only and offers no water or electricity. Campers must park in the designated parking areas and walk a short distance to a campsite. Wilderness campsites can accommodate a maximum of 6 people with 2 tents. A bathhouse is within walking distance. The park has 9 wilderness sites, and they are available by reservation or on a first-come, first-served basis. And thirdly is a group camping area. The park offers a small group site, 20 people with 4 tents maximum, and a large group site that will accommodate 30 people and 6 tents. Group sites do not have water or electricity on site. However, a bathhouse is located within walking distance. There are 3 water spigots available in the area. Now, in addition to all this, they also have rustic cabins. The cabins can accommodate up to 6 people and come equipped with electricity, 2 sets of bunk beds, 1 double bed, a dorm-style refrigerator, a heat and cooling unit, an outdoor fire pit grill, and an outdoor picnic table with a bathhouse located within walking distance. Guests, however, must provide their own linens. Smoking and cooking are prohibited inside the cabin, and pets are not allowed. Well, that's going to about do it for this episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. Listen, y'all go ahead and download that RV Parky app. Well, that's how I found this one. So for the money, I don't think you're going to beat this place. Well, now listen, until next time, y'all go on out there and be nice to one another. I sure love y'all. God bless you.